What is scary versus danger? Let me explain to you. You are going to a theme park, and the theme park is going to have a ghost house, right? It looks scary, but not dangerous at all. Now, versus that you are driving a car, it don't look scary, but one single step, you make a mistake, it could be very dangerous. Now, why I want to explain this to you, this is exactly that into our life. When you go to work, when you become an employee, because of our education system, from a standard 1, standard 2, standard 3, all the way going up from easy to difficult. When we go to the work, it's exactly the same thing. When we go to the company, that is a senior, that is a supervisor, that is a boss, is going to guide us through. So, working environment, not scary at all, but that is very dangerous. Because when you reach to the age 40, 50, your salary at the high positions and your position into the company is very high, that is very dangerous. Because you do not know when the company will say goodbye to you and do not need your service anymore. Or versus investment. It looks scary. Because from the movie, right, we see a lot of failure. And to the reality is we see a lot of people fail into the investment. That is why they look scary. But if you know how to manage your risk, investment actually is not dangerous. So the moral of the story of scary versus danger is because why you will fail, that is danger. Because many of you do not have a knowledge to manage the risk. Now I hope this video is going to help you. I need you to understand this. Many of us will choose a easy to a difficult, which is we would like to choose ourselves to become an employee because that is a more easy path. Once you grow up to your career ladder, that will become more tough. Now versus if you are doing your investment or you want to do your business, at the beginning it will be very, very difficult. But along the way, when you meet the failure, redo again, understand the risk, relearn again. From a difficult, it can become a very easy. Make up your mind. Would you like to choose your life journey from difficult to easy, or you still prefer easy to difficult? The choice is yours.